Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
We've been longtime fans of the smart home gear from Lutron, and the new Caseta Smart Shades are a welcome addition. They're designed for do-it-yourself installation and start at under $400. We like that you can control them through a Pico Remote, through the Lutron app, or by voice, Google, Alexa, and Apple Home 2. Being able to schedule the shades to open or close at different times of day can be pretty convenient and can save you money on heating or cooling.
Or we also have functionality that tracks the time of sunset and sunrise.
Marketing Manager Damon Williams. The smart shades are available in a variety of styles, including roller or honeycomb, room darkening, or light filtering too. Find more at casetawireless.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at Sea Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at seacrane.com, or just click on the link at techstination.com.